337 Jorge. So you want to rekey this door. You have a satellite dish up top. So I did take the measurement from the circular planter to the side perimeter, which would be from here to there, which is about 151 inches. Now I'm going to point out a couple things. So the house here has an overhang of about 19 inches, and the yard narrows by about 10 inches from this point to that point. So the width from the side perimeter to the front of the house, which is this corner right here, is 182 inches. It's about 172 inches from wall to house in the back. And the measurement from the wall on the left to the overhang, so the wall at your edge of the perimeter of your yard to that overhang right there, is about 149 inches. This is all according to my measurements, and I am not a contractor, and these could be wrong. So a little coat closet just without a closet rod. We have plantation shutters, which are an upgrade from our typical shutters, but they're much more difficult to replace. They're more expensive. So when one of these breaks, it's really hard to repair it. But, you know, that's something that the tenant has to take care of, and that will come out of their security deposit. So these are beautiful counters, undermount sink, gooseneck faucet. We do have cabinet poles. The cabinets are showing just a tiny, tiny bit of wear over here, which is where you typically tend to see it, but nothing too terrible. Of course, stainless steel appliances, a little designated eat-in area over here with its own fan and light kit. The flooring, from what I've seen so far, looks pretty good. You have these beautiful plantation shutter doors on the back. Okay, condition of the backyard. This condition is fairly typical of what we see, but it does have a few upgrades that we don't always see, which is the concrete that's already in place and the patio overhang. That's a big plus. We have mature trees, also a big plus, and we have the concrete over there, and of course there is a crack. That's pretty normal. Concrete's only built to withstand a certain number of years. And I'm not saying you wouldn't want to do something to fix it, but I'm just saying that is standard. We do have rocks installed along the border. We don't always see that either. Now this is the area that probably was grass at some point that you probably want to do something with, and that's up to the property manager. So we have a fenced-in pool here. It's nice they have little labels. So that looks mostly like junk over there. Clean and Clear Plus filter, this large thing that's labeled filter. Pool return here, main drain, skimmer, cleaner, pump. Also, I'm not a pool expert. LP bait station for rodents. Okay. I'll find out whether the pool is heated by asking the listing agent. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all the questions. So let's head inside. Laundry is downstairs. Craftsman garage door opener. Just a little bit of wear and tear at the bottom of that door. You could sand that and paint that easily. A wet bar here with a matching stone counter. Honeywell thermostats. Let's head upstairs. Carpet looks new. Double doors, plantation shutters. I would turn a light on, I just didn't see one. These are nice. These are not actually tiles, so you don't actually need grout. Replacement drain ring is about $65. We got a smoke detector in that room and in this hallway here. Carpet looks great. Paint is white, but overall looks really good. Love the fan with the light kit and built-ins in the closet, although there's no hanging space, which is easy to fix, but just kind of weird. The shower rod's not going anywhere. I'd replace that. This may need to be replaced, I don't know. And there's a towel rod here. So we have a hand towel rod, face wash cloth rod, and the towel rod. Honeywell, great fan, matches the other room. Plantation shutters, closet door guides, closet rod. Okay, 119 inches across and 131 inches across. I've had people recently saying the rooms are small, but the last room is always small, and that's over 10 by 10, so we're good.